living surrounded by lush greenery at BirchPark Eco Forest. Featuring 4 distinct selections designed to suit different lifestyles. Private sanctuary of green right at your doorstep. A perfect space where the community comes together. Where your little ones grow closer to nature and joy. Where wellness and vitality become part of your everyday. Extra greenery to share moments with family and neighbors. Fresh local produce, minutes from you. Groceries and daily needs always within reach. Seamless connections to the city through major highways.